Priyadashni. Today we are going to see an interesting recipe called Oatmeal Raisin Cookies using our Navigino complex cake starter. Today we have taken a mixing bowl, add in butter, 1/4 cup of white sugar. Now mix this well. We have to cream the butter and sugar together. Now add brown sugar, honey 2 teaspoons. Mix this well. Now add 2 teaspoons of milk. Add half a cup of maida, cinnamon powder, baking powder, baking soda, and we have a rolled oats here, 1.5 cup, so I am adding this. Now mix everything together to form a dough. Now add raisins. You can use both black or golden raisins. Mix this well. I am adding 2 more teaspoons of milk so that the dough comes together. Now the dough is ready. We'll make into balls, small balls, and then flatten the mixture. So I'll make all the cookies ready and then I'll show you. Now you can see the cookies are ready to bake. Now we place our Navigino. Today I'm taking 24 cm roaster 3.5 liters. Switch on the Navigino at level 6. Place the audio at roasting window. So you can see I have connected in my phone as well. So this is the AMC Cook and Go app. You can download in Play Store. Now you can see our pot is preheated. So I'm going to switch off the audio thumb. Switch off the Navigino. Now we place the lid upside down. Place the pot. Add in butter sheet. Brush with some butter. Now place the cookies. Place the Navigino upside down. Switch on the Navigino at level 1. Switch on the audio thumb in the baking window and bake until for 4 minutes. So I have connected my phone as well. Once the baking is done, our cookies will be ready. Now you can see our cooking is completed. So switch off the audio thumb, switch off the Navigino. So our oatmeal raisin cookies are ready.